In the previous video, I showed that when the voltage reaches 2/3 of VCC, the flip-flop inside the NE555 is triggered. After that, it begins discharging until the voltage drops to 1/3 of VCC. When it goes below 1/3 of VCC, the cycle starts again. This process continues as long as the circuit is powered. Then I will show you how to derive the equations from the charge and discharge time. T1 is the charging time from 0 volt to 1/3 VCC, and T is the charging time from 0 volt to 2/3 VCC. I will also clearly explain how to obtain a 500 milliseconds pulse from the NE555 timer. And finally, I will demonstrate the simulation.